Hi Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do your weekly reading from 13th of July to 19th of July, and this is a general reading. As you already know that it might or might not resonate with all of you, and for those who are new to my channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you'll be updated about my latest videos. Alright, so let's see what your tarot cards are saying. Before the tarot reading, I will pick one card from my Osho Zen Tarot, and we'll see what is the card. Okay, we have got one card over here for you. Harmony. You know, this is something. Can you look at the figure, at the person over there whose eyes are closed, but he feels so relaxed over there. He feels like I have achieved everything. So this is what the universe is trying to tell you, that you have achieved everything now, and it's time to just open your eyes and feel the happiness, feel the blossoming fruits and flowers in front of you, and you have everything now. So just go deep into yourself and be with yourself. Listen to your heart. See with this how these dolphins are coming from the heart. That means just listen to your heart. Whatever your heart is telling you, listen to your heart, and whatever step you want to take, any action you want to take, any step you want to take it from your heart. Just listen to your heart over here. A very beautiful message. Let's start with your tarot reading now. I'll be looking at your past energies, present and future energies. Okay. Let's see for my Sagittarius. So much of pentacles, so many pentacles. So that is what you are looking for right now, I guess. Money, what it is, what let's see. Your overall energy is 6 of Pentacles. You might be dealing with any earth sign over here, and be Capricorn, Taurus or Virgo. Okay, so your overall energy is telling me 6 of Pentacles. So there is some kind of you are holding on to that kind of energy over here. You are not letting your money to go on that place where how to say this, you are being a miser, I feel. Yes, that is the exact word I wanted to say. You see with this person over here, he is sharing. This is basically a sharing card where you just go and give some money to the needy people in your life. Okay, so but I don't feel that it's like that. I really feel that you are in that mode where you are not ready to share your love, share your money, share your energies with anyone. You are in that mode. Let's see your past energies. 10 of Swords, Knight of Pentacles and Page of Cups. Alright, so over here I really feel that there was an ending where it was that I don't know, whichever person with whom you were dealing with or any situation, it was a very on and off kind of an ending. Like sometimes, okay fine, we will be together, then again something happens, you stop talking, then again all of a sudden his or her message pops up in your phone, and you're like, okay, so what it is, why is it not ending the way it should be ending? Your present energies are Queen of Pentacles, 4 of Pentacles and 2 of Pentacles. Yeah, You are, now it's like it's going so much on and off, so you are little, now you have started holding on to your feelings. You have started to take things very normally. I see you are not in a place where you want, like, okay, I will give you all my love, whatever love I have inside me, I will give it all to you. No, you have started because you know that this thing is not going to end, so I have to do something now. And you are in this place, I really feel that you are just holding on, you are not letting your energy go to a wrong person. Okay. In your future energy, I see Seven of Pentacles, Five of Wands, and Page of Pentacles. There is something, because these conflicts, they are not actually ending. I really feel that it's not ending, and it's, I really feel that it's going to take a long time for you, because there is no decision which is being made over here. You are being so dicey. Again, one thing, sometimes this, sometimes that. This person is coming in my life, again this person is leaving my life. What is happening? And that is what, it's going from a long time, and it will take some more time, because conflicts are here. I really feel that there are some arguments. People are just, you are just like, what are we doing? We are liking each other, we are hating each other all at the same time. What is this? You are still a page, my dear. You are in that relationship which has not fully matured enough right now. Alright, so let's clarify your energies now, your cards. Alright, so let's clarify Six of Pentacles in your overall energy. Five of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, and King of Cups. So many pentacles. So this is regarding some money, and for some people it is more regarding some, grounded effect, where you just want peace and calm. You just want, if things are ending, it's better, it should end like this. So right now I see that there is a no contact mode with the Five of Pentacles. You're not talking to this person, but if this person is wanting some love from you, you are being a very miser over here. You're not letting your feelings go away so easily, and you are in that mode where you are loving yourself fully. You are in that independent, in that confident mode with the Nine of Pentacles. Who doesn't listen to anyone? She loves herself. Very good. Let's clarify Ten of Swords in your past energies. Five of Swords, the Hierophant, and King of Wands. Yes, there was something, there was a fight. Might be, for some people it might be a marriage relationship as well. There was something, might be a person entering into your life, might be a family member also, who created all this chaos, and it made your world like it, you just want to end this thing, but it's not ending. Okay, because someone is coming again back. Okay, let's see, what is this Knight of Pentacles? Three of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, and Seven of Wands. Okay, so this person then again with a message of sorry, apology message. This person tells you that I want to fix this, and you are like, excuse me, what did you say? I didn't hear you. What are you saying? And you are just standing on your grounds with so much of fixed decision. I see that you are the King of Pentacles over here, who is like, I would be really happy if we could fix it, but I don't feel like it will take us very into that place where we would be having a beautiful, happy and ending. I don't see that, and you are very much sure about it. Okay, so let's see this Page of Cups in your past energies. Three of Swords, Page of Wands, and Ten of Cups. So you decided in that thing because this offer was not at all fruitful for you, so you decided to end this relationship. I cannot go with all these kind of things, so that is why I really feel that this harmony message is for you, that if your heart is telling you that this is not fine, just go and listen to your heart. No matter how much devastated you will be, but it will be better if you will listen to your heart and you will move on with your mind, your balanced mind and soul. Let's see what is this Queen of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, Eight of Cups and Four of Cups. Okay, yeah, so you got the offer. I can see over here you received the offer, but you are rejecting it. You are moving away from this situation. You are like, I have my work to do. Might be a Capricorn you are dealing with, or I think you have a Capricorn in your chart, because you are more focused in your work and your money as well. So you are looking towards something new. You are also starting, for some people I'm seeing you are going to invest in your business, and you are not acceptable right now towards love. I don't see love over here. The love is coming to an end because there was so much of manipulation, lies, deception, that you actually decided to move on from this situation, and you decided to move to just hold on to your feelings, because this person don't deserve these feelings of yours. Please excuse these horns. All right, so let's see what is Two of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, Queen of Wands and Page of Swords. All right. Okay, so this person of yours, he or she just comes towards you when he or she wants something from you, something that thing which just something, either love, either sometimes affection, something like that. Might be money as well. So this person comes to you then only, but he or she is not a very good person, just wearing a mask, and their intentions are not so good, and you know that. That's fine, you know that very well. So let's see what is the Seven of Pentacles telling us. Six of Wands, Ace of Swords and Six of Cups. Okay, I feel that you want harmony in your life right now. You want balance. You are seeking towards harmony. You are seeking towards calmer water. You want clarity in your life, and you are waiting for that direct message or direct conversation from this person, that this is over now. I cannot just stay over here and talk to you, and whatever you want I'm here to give you. No, I'm not. I am another person. I want some things for myself as well. So that is why you are waiting for this conversation to happen really fast, and I see that you are still waiting for that. Let's see whether this conversation will happen or not. Five of Wands, Two of Swords, Page of Cups and the Star. Yes, so some communication is coming towards you, whatever you were hoping for, but it will leave you in a state where you will be indecisive. You have to decide something. I see that you have already decided, but this offer might trigger you, might. So just be aware, whatever this offer will be, just think, then you will be needing your heart. I really feel that, because there is some kind of decision which has to be made. Let's see Page of Pentacles, Empress, Temperance and Wheel of Fortune. Okay, might be a person is okay, so for you, your person or you, whosoever is the female over here, might be pregnant as well. So that is why there is some question to what to do, in an indecisiveness over here. So what to do with this thing? But I really feel that this wheel of the luck, wheel of fortune, it is coming to an end. Something is ending over here, and whatsoever the decision will be yours. It's yours. I really feel that you are ending something. You want that connection, you want that communication, and it's coming towards you, but the decision might trigger you. Well, okay, let's see some cards from the universe as well now. 3 cards, what the universe wants to tell you at this point. The devil, the moon, and death. Oh my god. Okay. Universe is telling you that whatever you thought, it's coming towards the surface. Okay, so if you want to end this toxic relationship, your choice. And I really feel that it is ending. Something is ending, and you are, because all the clarity, whatever you wanted, the hidden things, they are coming to the surface, because this person was actually wearing a mask, and this person was a devil inside, and you never knew. You always gave your heart to this person, but then you realized, you got to know that this thing is not for me, and you are ending. You are listening to your heart now, that okay, your heart might be telling you that no, I love this person, but your heart is the one who is making you more strong now. That's really good. Okay, so thank you, Sagittarius. That's all from my side. If you really like the reading, please give a thumbs up, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.